Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with the essentials. Open Google Photos and confirm you're in the right account. Once done, check Backup and Sync and pause it if you will delete local files to avoid unexpected re-uploads. Next, verify how much Google storage remains and whether device space or your Google quota is the bottleneck. While you're here, enable High Quality or Storage Saver if you want compressed backups. Make sure to note which photos remain unbacked before removing anything. You'll now attack the bulky items. Search for videos, screenshots, and blurry photos because they typically use the most space. Once you find them, switch to a view that lets you select multiple items quickly. Long press one and then tap others, or use Select All for a day. When you delete, remember files go to trash and still count against quota until permanently removed, so go to trash and empty it. If you paused backup, resume only after you confirm deletions to prevent re-uploading. Finish by emptying trash and then check Google One or Photos Storage Summary to confirm the freed space. Use the app's Free Up Space tool to remove local copies already backed up so your device regains storage. If numbers don't change, clear Google Photos app cache or sign out and sign back in to refresh the storage report. If issues persist, make sure multiple accounts aren't holding duplicates. Remove unwanted accounts or transfer items before deleting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.